Hey guys, before we get to today's video, I want to talk about today's sponsor, Simple Mobile. Now, I mentioned Simple Mobile before. They're super awesome because they believe that your phone is an extension of your own personal freedom, because everyone needs a cell phone, right? Everyone wants a cell phone. And what better way to use a phone but on a Simple Mobile plan? Signing up for Simple Mobile is super simple. You can use your own GSM phone, purchase one of Simple Mobile's SIM cards, activate one of their unlimited plans, and follow the easy steps to get your phone up and running. Want to learn how to save money each and every month with Simple Mobile? Click on this annotation here or the link down in the description below and get yourself a Simple Mobile phone on a Simple Mobile plan and start saving money each and every month. Good morning, clan, and welcome to Friday. We are here at the airport on our way to Seattle for the second annual Vlogger Fair. Super excited. If you missed yesterday's vlog, we dropped the kids and the dog off to who will be watching them for the weekend. And Tiffany and I are on our way.
Eating breakfast, and Chrissy's gonna take us to school. First Mason and us. Because he goes earlier. Yep. We'll be at school the whole day, so yeah.
And everybody's okay with their clothes and hair.
Faux hawk!
Did I do okay?
Yep.
Alright.
I have a faux hawk.
Well, you all have a fun Friday.
Okay. And I don't have any homework today.
Woohoo, no homework. Fun Friday.
Sierra doesn't have. Sierra has homework. I don't know if I have to read. That's actually part of my homework, so.
Y'all have a good day.
Okay. Bye.
And we're here, and it's all starting to look very familiar. Once we got out of the terminal, I knew exactly where to go for the light link, their light rail, which is where we're headed right now. I just remember how much it costs, and I don't remember which exit to get off at, and how much the train costs. I don't remember all those details, but I remember locations, physical locations. So we made it downtown. We're just waiting for our room to be ready because we're a little early, but we managed to find an awesome burger joint, and we just got done eating some epic burgers. So now we're just chilling. We're gonna go grab a coffee or something. Oh yeah, downtown anywhere is awesome. I love all the hustle, the bustle, the noises, the cars, the horns, traffic, light rails. There it is, there it is. So our hotel room's not quite ready yet, so we decided to check our bags and head down to the Space Needle. Walk around, see what's going on downtown. And we find ourselves here at the EMP Museum. This is where the party's at tonight, and where we're supposed to get our tickets and stuff for Vlogger Fair. So this is part of the event. Somewhat. Right next door to the world famous Space Needle. I don't know what this is, but it's awesome. That's a whole lot of guitars. Oh yeah. How many of those icons can you recognize? That is awesome. Oh man, I love science fiction. This is what we thought the future was going to look like right here. Anubis. The camera got hairy. Oh, it's changing. It's changing. Hell yes. Look at this. Is that not one of the most terrifying things you've ever seen? Could you imagine one of those things coming at you? You ever seen Constantine? Yeah, that's a demon. Scavenger. Okay, I lied. That's probably the scariest thing ever right there. That thing coming at you, it's so fast, so small, and it can jump. And once it's on you, there's no getting off. That's scary. Okay, I love science fiction. #1, top of all genres, science fiction, right? Horror only when it's in a sci-fi manner, when it's like fantasy, sci-fi, horror, kind of like that, like werewolves, vampires, that kind of thing. So that was awesome. All kinds of sweet merch for music and pop culture. And now we enter the world of fantasy. Dragons! Oh, yes. Do you know what that is? Do you know what that is? That is the sword from Highlander. Off with their heads, because there can be only one! If I had ever owned a sword, that's the one I would order right there. Six-fingered man, right? Princess Bride. Crunchy. Looks like we're in the woods. I used to have one of these scooters when I was a kid. That's what scooters used to look like when I was a kid. There were no razors, those little mini ones. That's what scooters look like right there. Mackable Norge, what's up? Alright guys, that was pretty sweet. Sci-fi, fantasy, horror, music. Tons and tons of stuff about music. A lot of local stuff, a lot of stuff outside of Seattle. Mostly about Seattle though, obviously. But I obviously can't show you everything. I don't want to show you everything because I want you to come and experience it yourself. But this place is definitely cool. It reminds me a lot of our science, what's that place called? Science Center back in Phoenix, the Arizona Science Center. And so very much the same thing, but it's very niche to those topics. And as I'm a fan of sci-fi and fantasy, that hit the mark right here. Yay! We finally made it into our room. Our incredibly small, quaint room. We'll call it quaint. Literally, the king-size bed takes up almost the entire room. I don't think this room was designed for a king-size bed. And if I'm not mistaken, this is an old hotel that was renovated. It's a really nice hotel. Don't get me wrong. The carpets, the interior, the lighting, the design, everything is awesome. The room is just really small, at least this room that we got here. But you know what? We're not here to hang out in the room, so it doesn't really matter. As long as we got this nice, comfortable bed and enough room to, you know, do some jumpy jacks, it's all that matters.
You guys having fun? Was it cool waking up with Mason and eating breakfast with him?
Yeah. I didn't. I just had to read and I just got finished reading. Mason doesn't have to do homework.
Alright, we made it out of the hotel. All dressed up, all spiffy. Got Tiffany in a dress. Oh yeah! And I'm wearing, well, my normal attire with a collared shirt, new kicks. And we're gonna go grab a bite to eat here at Icon Grill and make our way down to the festivities, the party. There's a party tonight. We're going to a party. OMG, this artichoke dip is amazeballs, seriously. Grabbed a couple of cocktails, fancy schmancy.
On the quick screen pass near side to Kristen Michael. And he comes back to the right side, and people will be surprised by the speed of Robert.
All right, we made our way back to the EMP Museum, and we're here for the Vlogger Fair VIP party. And let's see what kind of trouble we can get into. We're heading our way up, and the first thing we see is this giant freaking guitar.
Don't touch the guitar! Don't get your hands off.
Sorry. I'm touching it anyways. Shay told me not to. I'm still touching it.
Yeah, no one knows who you are. I like his new one.
Alright, so we're here in the parking lot to Little Caesars. We're going to pick up a cheese pizza and a pepperoni, as you probably all know, because those are the the originals, and so I'm going to get them. It was crazy busy. It took almost like, what, 15-20 minutes to get our pizza.
Something like that.
And we only got 2 pizzas and breadsticks.
Smells
so,
hashtag delicious though.
Yeah.
Take a whiff, Bryce. That's all you're gonna get.
And we got some cookies.
Out of the way, dude, come on.
And then we're going to go home, eat, and then we'll see what's next. Bryce gets pepperoni, Mason gets pepperoni, and I'm getting cheese. No, thank you. I love those kind of pieces.
Monkey brain.
Oh, shoot, Mason.
Hold on, leave that here, bro.
It smells amazing. And then he's gonna come and attack us. Are you serious? Payback time.
Oh, what? That isn't fair.
You can't do that. All right, we'll take turns of the. Hold on.
Holy. Whoa, whiff.
Do this. Ouch.
Holy smokes.
I can't see. Ouch.
She might be concussed, laddie. Yeah, stand up. Take it like a man.
But he said a man, I don't think he meant that.
Oh. Alright guys, so we're done with the party. We're making our way down 5th Avenue, the world famous 5th Avenue.
I'm over here falling.
She's drunk.
Unfortunately.
I have water.
Drunk off.
Sparkling water.
She's heavily hydrated. Heavily hydrated. We're with Missy and Brian, Jared and Ellie. We're
Sorry, I'm tipsy.
that's alright. We're trying to find something to eat. Got a bite to eat. A little bit to eat. And Seattle is popping at 10 o'clock. Whoa!
Necessary? For real?
It's a little excessive.
Yeah.
It's a little excessive. We have arrived at our destination. Alright, so that first place, I guess, because it's after hours, you have to have ID, and someone in our party doesn't have their ID with them. So we had to find a different location. So 4 blocks later, we're here at the Hurricane Cafe, and this place doesn't look as fun as the other place.
Not as much neon.
I was just gonna say, not as much neon, but nevertheless, they have breakfast. They serve breakfast, so that's a plus.
Okay, you ready?
Do you want me to get the angle?
She's gonna try and frisbee this into my mouth.
Okay, I got a point. Whoa, you have a big mouth! Oh my goodness! Okay.
I don't know what just happened.
Oh shoot! What about this one?
Try again.
Okay, I'll look. I'll look.
Open it, open it.
It took up.
What are you doing, Ellie?
You were like way off. Let me try. Let me try.
Wait,
Ready?
that one has hair
Ready?
on it.
Okay, let me try this one. Ready? 1, 2. Oh shoot! I'm sorry. Go! There it is.
Oh, good times, guys. Good times indeed. Made it back to our hotel, and we're gonna call it a night because tomorrow is Vlogger Fair 2014. Woo! Super excited. I know it doesn't look like it right now because I'm wicked tired, but I'm super excited. Don't know what to expect because it's a whole different format. There's so many great people there. So stay tuned because tomorrow is going to be wicked awesome. You're gonna love it. I hope you're gonna love it. I hope you like it. Loving it would be awesome, but if you just like it, it's good enough for me. All right, we'll see you guys tomorrow. Vlog on! We made it to Seattle, yay! So excited, guys. We love this city. And of course, the Vlogger Fair is going to be awesome. Seeing all the cool people, seeing them again, meeting new ones that I, didn't have a chance to really talk to at VidCon, like because of how big it is. Vlogger Fair is going to be amazing, seriously. But while you wait for that video to drop tomorrow, on the screen are 2 more great videos for your viewing pleasure. 1 year ago, I met up with my brothers for a little dinner, and we just kind of, shoot the breeze and chit-chat and kind of just do a brotherly bonding dinner thing while Sierra and Bryce play with Lucy and their friends back at home. 2 years ago, we meet Sierra's BFF for the first time and get to hang out with Max and Victoria for a little bit. So check those out. If you're on a computer, the annotations are clickable on the screen. If you're on a phone or a tablet,
The links are in the description down below, including yesterday's vlog and eventually tomorrow's vlog. So if you're watching this and it's a day late, tomorrow's vlog is linked down there for you too. Also, social media links, guys. Twitter, Instagram, Vine. I know I say it every time. It's because I share so much stuff outside of the vlogs on there as we're doing it. So if you're following me on Twitter, you're going to get the instant update like, oh, Clintus is doing this right now. That's going to be in tomorrow's vlog. Awesome. You get a little taste of that. So be sure to follow me somewhere, whichever your preferred method is. And we'll see you guys tomorrow for Vlogger Fair 2014.